Yeah, it's the year 2025, but if the last 30 years have taught us anything, that's the lasting power of paper. People love their goddamn paper, and that translates to notebooks, especially cute little pocket notebooks like this one. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to be looking at a compact yet mighty workhorse, a true on-the-go essential, the LEUCHTTURM1917 Softcover Pocket A6 Notebook. Whether you're a bullet journaler, pen and ink artist, or someone that simply appreciates the well-crafted stationery that can easily slide into your pocket while you're on the go, this little book has a lot going for it. Let's have a look. At first glance, the softcover feels sleek and flexible, lighter than a hardcover obviously, but still sturdy enough for daily use. It's fairly compact size at around 90 by 150 millimeters, the A6 size, so it effortlessly slips into a jacket pocket or your daily bag. The cover has a subtle matte texture, giving it a refined, understated vibe. And depending on the season and time of year, this notebook is available in a wide variety of cover colors. When you open it up, you'll find some thoughtful features. Up first is the fact that this notebook is available in dotted, plain, which is what I have here, ruled, and square versions. Next, there's a total of 123 numbered pages. Please return to page for your name and contact info in case you ever lose it. A 2-page index at the front, 8 slightly perforated pages at the back if you ever want to make a note and tear it out and share it with someone. 2 different colored ribbons for bookmarking, and a nice elastic cover band, though I would have liked the elastic to be slightly tighter. And of course, there's also an expandable back pocket and a few labeling stickers for the purposes of archiving, which you can attach to either the front, back, or spine. Okay, let's talk about paper quality and writing experience. Well, if you know anything about LEUCHTTURM1917, you'll know that they rarely, if ever, disappoint when it comes to paper quality. After all, that's the heart of any good paper notebook, isn't it? In this case, this pocket notebook uses 80 GSM acid-free paper. So the pages aren't overly thick, but thick enough to prevent most bleed-through and feathering with common writing instruments. Let's have a look at how this notebook and paper handles a variety of inks and pens. As you can see, the LEUCHTTURM1917 Softcover A6 Pocket Notebook writes beautifully, even with some juicier nibs, showing little to no bleeding, minimal ghosting, and only microscopic feathering with certain inks. While not as luxurious as Tomo River or Clairefontaine Vellum, both of which I've left a link in the description below, this notebook is a dependable performer. Okay, let's look at the pros and cons. First, the pros. It's compact and portable, which is ideal for journaling or making quick notes. There's some nice thoughtful design touches. Numbered pages, index, ribbons, perforations, stickers. The paper performs well with a range of pens, including fountain pens. Lightweight softcover with flexible usability. And as for the cons, well, because the paper is 80 GSM, don't expect miracles when it comes to ghosting and bleed through when using heavier pens, inks, or markers. If you're after extremely thick, luxurious paper in this size, say 100 to 160 GSM, you might find this one to be a bit light. All right, so who would really enjoy this notebook? Ink lovers and fountain pen aficionados looking for a portable pocket option with solid paper performance. Bullet journalers to note takers, organized minds who appreciate indexing and page numbering, and minimalists and travelers who want something lightweight yet functional. Also, everyday carry enthusiasts that enjoy having a lightweight and dependable pocket notebook with them at all times will also really like this. To sum up, I think the LEUCHTTURM 1917 Softcover Pocket A6 is a well-designed, practical little notebook with premium touches and reliable paper quality. It stands out in this category, especially for those who value both function and aesthetics in a compact form while remaining light and portable enough with a ton of features. All right, that's it for my review of the LEUCHTTURM 1917 Softcover Pocket A6 notebook. If you want to pick one up, I've left a link below for you in the description. And as always, remember, hit like and subscribe if you want to see more stationery reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.